protein shakes benefits for women. So ito po ay galing sa ating sa ating Herbalife articles. So magpapakilala po muna ako. So ito po yung result ko, no? After taking the amazing healthy breakfast of Herbalife. So I used to weigh 65 kilograms, no? Low density yung aking bone mass as well as irregular menstruation, no? Since I was 11 years old, talagang 3 times in a year lang po ako dinadatnan. Ang laging nasa isip ko is, ako po yung tao, even pagkabata, tamad mag-almusal. Okay? Lagi po ako nag-skip ng meal. So, hindi ko alam paano ba masosolusyonan yung mga concerns ko, no? Number one, yung nga po nabanggit ko sa inyo, as well as hanggang sa na-trigger na din yung aking bone density. So, because of the unhealthy lifestyle, no, growing up, so ito po yung naging result sa akin. Okay? And good thing I found my sponsor who introduced me to a nutrition club kung saan na-meet ko yung amazing healthy breakfast na aloe tea and shake. So after 10 days, I've lost an amazing 3 kilograms at talagang naging maayos yung naging resulta po sa akin. Nag-gain back yung energy, naging mas maayos yung tulog, until up to now na naging monthly basis na po ang aking menstrual cycle, and even the bone density now from 1.6 kilograms now is nasa 2.2 kilograms na. So amazing kasi habang tumatanda mas madami pang kayang gawin, no? Yun yung pinaka-powerful sa naging result sa akin, and I am capable of pag-aalaga ng bata. Okay, I am capable of pagko-coach, no, ng mga customers, and even doing this Herbalife as a business. So madami po, sobra yung energy na nabibigay po, no, ng pagpapalit lang ng almusal. Okay? So yun. So good thing we have this amazing community called Herbalife Nutrition na talagang sinusuportahan, no, ang different aspect po kapag ka nakapasok ka sa ganitong klase ng kumpanya. Okay? So hindi lang siya result, hindi lang siya sa business, but it helps you improve day by day as a person. Okay? So yan. So again, ito po yung topic ko, no? So number one is protein. Okay? So nauna po si protein kaysa sa carbohydrates na topic natin bukas. Kasi po si protein, siya yung pinakamahalagang nutrition, no? In our diet. Okay? So bakit? Alam niyo po ba na meron tayong tinatawag na amino acids, no? So ito yung nagko-contain ng pinaka-foundation sa lahat ng cells na meron tayo sa body natin. Kanina nabanggit ni Coach CJ na very important yung different nutrition, yung nutrition ng katawan because of ito yung magpapabigay ng total well-being. Okay, from head to toe daw. So yes, meron kasi tayo talagang pinoprovide na right nutrition sa ating cells. Okay, so meron tayo niyan from head to toe. Pero bigyan ko lang po kayo ng very quick, no, na parang protein. Pag ba narinig si protein, yes, lagi ko siya coach naririnig kasi nakakatulong daw siya sa weight loss, nakakabusog daw siya. Okay? So bigyan natin ng ilan sa mga parang deep dive, no, understanding about this protein. So yung amino acids, no, na meron tayo niyan in our system, meron po kasing 20, no, na iba't ibang different type ng amino acids. At again, this is the foundation ng protein. So, hindi mabubuo si proteins without these amino acids. So, ganito po, no? As isa sa mga proteins na meron po tayo sa katawan natin is that yung tinatawag na hormonal proteins. So, kapag na-check niyo po siya, no, especially sa Google, mabibigyan po tayo ng mas purely understanding about what we do, especially sa pag-incorporate ng protein sa daily diet, no? So ito po yung isa sa mga nag-act as a chemical messenger, no? Para mag-regulate po yung tinatawag nating mga body functions. So ano po ba yung mga body functions natin? Nandyan yung growth, andyan ang metabolism, andyan na din po yung even yung mood swings natin. Okay? Naka-under doon sa tinatawag nating mga isa sa mga proteins like the hormonal protein. So ngayon, since ito ay isang water soluble, no, hindi siya actually kaya maka-across dun sa iba nating mga cell membranes. But the good thing about it is that pwede siyang matrigger yung ating mga internal cellular functions or responses. That's why kung maririnig nyo, Herbalife is a cellular nutrition products. Okay? So pag-usapan po natin, sinabi ko na Herbalife is a nutrition products. So dito kaya pong matrigger yung mga insulin, hormonal hormonal and human growth na mga hormones, and even po yung mga glucose. Okay? So ngayon, even po yung iba't ibang mga stimulation na meron sa katawan natin, even yung mga thyroid. So hindi po ako dito nagki-claims, pero if we will try to really understand the importance of having right amount of protein on a daily diet, dun yung matutuklasan na kaya pala the metabolism is working now na very well. Kaya pala biglang meron nagbuntis because the person is eating the right amount of protein na nakakatulong for for the hormones. Okay? So again, hindi lang madami po siyang kayang i-provide sa katawan ng tao. Okay? So next is ang pinagtama yung ipapasok sa katawan. Merong labis, merong pong kulang. Okay? So, because of untrended diets nowadays is pag nakakita sila ng prutas, it is enough. Pag nakakita sila ng gulay, it's also enough na. So, pag nakita nilang something na natural, it is enough. But you know what? Kapag hindi talaga balanse, ang pakiramdam natin, lightheaded. Alam po yung lightheaded? Ito siguro naramdaman, may nakakaramdam po nito kung hindi ka pa nakaka-intake ng tamang protein. Paggising mo pa lang sa umaga, parang kulang yung nasa brains mo, parang lugaw, parang nasa ano ka, parang litong-lito ka. You don't know what to do, okay? Pero alam mo naman ang pwede mong gawin, pero hindi ka ganun ka confident based on your head, okay? Tired, pagkagising mo pa lang sa umaga, parang hindi na makalaban yung katawan mo sa sobrang pagod. Okay, cranky, no? Ah, coach, hindi pa naman oras ng kain pero I feel so cranky. Tapos naiinis na talaga ako every time na hindi naman ako gutom, nararamdaman pero internally pala. Okay? So that's why merong mga cranky person. Okay? Yung mga mabibilis magalit dyan, they need protein, guys. Okay? Regain the weight you lost, no? Experience ng isang customer ko, coach, nag-lose na ako ng weight, nag-try naman ako, pero nagtataka ako every time I lost weight, ang bilis ko mag-gain back. Okay? Parang yo-yo dieting, up, down, up, down. Okay? Ano ba yung diet mo? Hindi na ako nagbe-breakfast, ano na nga lang ako, bread na nga lang in the morning eh. So that is the reason why. Kasi again, madami pong trendy diets, especially when you check on AI, on Google, pero ano ba talaga yung pinakakailangan ng katawan natin because yung katawan natin iisa lang yan. At kapag hindi mo pinrovide yung kinakailangan niya, naku, baka magtampo yan. Okay? So you are trying to lose weight, you should consider these things. Number one is your muscle. Muscle, it burns more calories. Ano ba yung calorie? You can get it from every amount of food that you eat, no, except water. Because water, wala siyang calorie. So even your body is at rest, nagbe-burn ka. Okay? Coach, while you are talking right now, nagbe-burn ka ng calories. Sitting, nagbe-burn ka ng calories. Yes, our body is burning calories through the help of muscle. Okay? So, hindi mas mataas po ang burning calorie ng muscles compared sa fats. Palagi po tatandaan, mas mataas ang burning capacity ng muscles compared sa fats. Kaya dapat yung katawan mo is maayos. Hindi pwedeng palaging mas mataas yung sobrang porsyento ng iyong um, um, subcutaneous at yung iyong internal fat. So, tanungin niyo po yung coach niyo ha, paano siya ma-identify. Number two, so if you want to get leaner, you should build more muscles. Leaner. Pag sinabing leaner, no? Hindi pa nga tubig. Yan, more water. So pag leaner yan, you can flex, no? Hindi ito yung sinasabi na kailangan yung parang bulky ka, no? Alam niyo po yung bulky sa women na ayoko naman kasi coach ng sobrang bulky para naman akong lalaki. It doesn't have to be like that, no? Ang maganda is you can build a good muscle, yung standard, yung physique rating na katawan mo is hindi high fat. Okay? Meron pong ganung body, high fat, low muscle. So, number one, it can help you look better. Syempre, pag tinignan ka, you look better, hindi ka sluggish tingnan, maayos ang iyong postura. Okay? At number two, bibilis yung weight loss mo. Okay? Kapag ka maayos yung iyong muscle mass. Number three, of course, yung energy mo, mabuboost, no? Hindi ka tama rin, hindi ka antukin. Okay? So, paano ba mag-build ngayon ng muscles? Again, ang body needs amino acids. Okay? At ito po yun. Kung sa sports nutrition, ang amino acid supplements and protein powder is very important. While for the athletes naman, constantly building muscles, especially pag nag-exercise sila, it can trigger na mas magkaroon ng added weight ang kanilang muscles. And high protein diets, no? Pag high protein diets, nutrients for rebuild and repairing. So ang muscles po, no? Sorry, ang protein po, siya din yung tumutulong for rebuilding ng muscles and even for repairing and recovery. Okay? Protein, no? So next is, ayan. So ito po yung mga, sorry po, wait lang. Ayan. So ito po yung ito po yung equation na pwedeng gawin if you want to get a leaner and toned ng mas mabilis. Number one is, yung moderate lang yung intensity ng exercise mo. Kasi minsan, pagka sinabing exercise, ang gusto ng tao is talagang 2 to 2 hours more than no, yung kanilang inilalaan sa gym. And then pag uwi sa bahay, they don't know what to do na. Um, kasi naka-focus sila na, okay, I have to exercise more, I have to buhat-buhat more. So, ang nangyayari po, no, kulang yung needs ng katawan. So, you have to incorporate the right amount of protein sa kinakailangan ng katawan mo para makuha mo yung tinatawag na um, lean na result, no? And of course, hindi lang protein, dapat yun nandun sa pinggan mo. Kasi marami yung ganito ako naririnig. Coach, alam mo, nag-egg na lang ako every day. Talagang 10 eggs ako a day. So, ito po yung concern, no? Why you still looking for the right level of energy, for the right result physically, is that hindi mo na-incorporate yung carbohydrates, hindi mo na-incorporate yung good amount of fats. You only focus on the proteins lang. Umulam ka lang ng umulam. So, hindi po siya tama. Okay? Tandaan, ang katawan po natin, nag-iisa yan. Hindi pwedeng isa lang din ang ipoprovide mo sa kanya. It should be balanced. Okay? So, next is, ayan. Again, basic in the information of keratin. So, for the woman, kung gusto mo meron kang magandang hair, meron kang magandang, ito po aminin nyo coaches, mayat maya na tayo nag-nail cutter. Kasi sobrang bilis. Even ako po kung mapapansin niya, ako po ay bagong gupit na naman. So dyan naman po sobrang bilis pong humaba, no, ng ating buhok at saka ng nails. And it is a good sign that you are having a good source ng keratin. So saan mo din siya makukuha? Again, it is one of the basics, no, na formation po ng keratin, yung protein. So wag na po magtataka na, coach, bakit lagi na lang ako may baong nail cutter at lagi na lang itong buhok ko kahaba-haba? Okay? Gumanda po yung hibla ng buhok mo, gumanda yung tubo, okay? So yan, it's because of you are now taking a good source of protein, okay? And then ano pa? Protein needs. So sa gender, pwede siya sa babae, pwede siya sa lalaki, sa body sizes, no? It depends sa body size mo, ilan yung kinakailangan mo na protein. And sa physical activities, pag nakakita ka sa online, ito pala yung ginawa niyang diet, 75 grams daw ng protein, gagayanin ko nga. And then eventually, biglang mas lalo kang tumaba. Kasi sinearch mo sa Google yung 75 grams ng protein, tapos puro karne yung lumabas, hindi na-understand na yung bawat requirement ng protein is depending on the weight size ng isang tao. So kaya kailangan very tayo, good thing you have that accountability partner, yung taong nagdala sa'yo dito kasi alam niya po ito. Okay? Alam niyo ba na meron po tayong protein needs depends on, number one, kapag babae ka, it can be 75 grams daily. Pero again, it differs po pagdating saan? Sa current weight mo. So you can calculate at least 1:1. 1 gram of protein equivalent to 1 kilogram of your body weight. Okay? So kung at least 48 kilos ka ngayon, at least man lang you can achieve that 48 grams of protein in a day. Okay? Yan. So ano po ba yung mga sources ng protein? Number one is animal sources, no? These are sources po na pwede nyong mabili, pwede nyong makita sa fridge nyo. Anywhere, meron pong isda, may mga poultry, andyan yung mga eggs, andyan yung mga lean meats, no? Andyan yung mga dairy na mga products. Number two, you can actually incorporate from the plant sources. Meron po tayong plant-based na protein. Andyan yung mga soybeans, which is the source of protein ng ating powder shake. Andiyan ang peas, lentils, beans, nuts, and whole grains. So ano yung good news ko sa inyo? Hindi lahat ng protein is pare-parehas ng quality. Hindi lahat ng protein is pare-parehas ng digestibility process. Pag sinabing digestibility, yung gaano ba siya kabilis na dadigest sa human system. So, ito lang ang i-announce ko to everyone. The highest form po ng digestibility process is the soy. SOY. Yung soy, siya po yung pinakamabilis. Okay? Unlike ng mga meats natin, no, na mabibili natin sa labas is medyo mabagal. No, example na lang natin, if you try to eat every morning ng beef, so it will take how many hours bago mo siya ma-pressure cooker? Bago mo ba siya maluto, 'di ba? So sobrang tagal. Same in our system. Yung digestibility niya medyo mabagal. Okay? So in our case, we actually choose yung pinakamabilis, pinaka on the go, we have the protein powder. So yung protein powder, ito naman, almusal po, no? Requested siya and talagang number one health shake siya sa buong mundo. Pwede po kayong pumili, no? Meron tayong soy. Sorry, hindi pala kayo pwedeng mamili. Ito na yung piliin nyo. Okay? Kasi meron tayong Formula 1 Nutritional Shake Mix. It comes with 5 flavors. Plant-based yan. Mabilis po siya sa system natin. At meron siyang good amount of protein talaga. Okay? Every serving, meron na po siyang 9 grams ng protein. Okay? So, para di ka na mag-isip saan ka hahanap ng almusal. Benefits of consuming the protein in the breakfast. So, kanina po, natakal na siya kanina ni Coach CJ. It is the most important meal of the day. It replenishes your body. It provides energy, as in long-lasting energy. So pagtiting naman po, no, ito yung mga common na almusal, natakila din niya kanina, sobrang tataas ng calorie. Okay? And the good thing in our program, no, especially our healthy breakfast program, no, meron din siyang carbohydrates. 'Di ba? Hindi lang siya soy protein, hindi lang siya protein yung Herbalife shake natin. Meron din siyang fiber. Meron na din siyang micronutrients na 19 na klase. Grabe, ang dami, no? And then, meron din siyang protein. Okay? So, kompleto po siya, no? Ito po siya. Alam nyo, pag kumain po kayo ng shake, especially in the morning, you can get all this following nutrition in a one single serving of shake as if, tingnan nyo po kung ilalagay nyo yan sa isang plato, hindi po magkakasya at sobrang laki ng calorie. But with the help of our cellular nutrition products na ito, talagang mabibigay niya in a one single serving ng glass. Nandoon na po lahat. Okay? So, benefits ng protein. So, number one, healthy, very fast, very convenient. Okay? Protein shake, no? Yung ating inaalog-alog. It is balanced with right amount of calories, 90 calories lang. May 9 grams ka ng fiber. Every single serving, meron ka ng 3 grams, meron kang 19 micronutrients. Imagine mo kung iinom ka ng mga tablet-tablet na 19, ang dami nun. Okay, baka mapagod ka umaga pa lang. So in our case, we have that na. Pero again, this is just in the right amount. Okay? Kung gusto mo ng additional, you can add on. Pero choose Herbalife brand. Okay? High quality protein. You can incorporate yung mga various na recipes. Pwede mong gawin si Treb, ang favorite niya, yung dulce de leche. Yung baby ko po na 15 months old, dulce de leche na waffle. Okay? Pwede mo din siyang gawin ng popsicle, ice cream, pwedeng waffle, pancake, muffin. Yan, i-enjoy nyo po yung inyong shake. Hindi lang siya in a glass. Okay? Pwede kayong mag-add dyan ng mga fresh and frozen fruit. Okay? At pwede nyo i-consume yung shake ng 2 to 3 times or two or more than more 2 or more times in a day. Okay? Kasi if you're looking for the right grams ng protein, it should be more than 2. Okay? And then starting point po no for developing a healthy lifestyle includes healthy, balanced diet and of course exercise. So this is our complete healthy breakfast. Yan, na-share na yan kanina ni Coach CJ, no? Samahan niyo na din po siya ng aloe and tea. Okay? So yun lang po from my end. Thank you. I hope you learned something for today. Congratulations po sa lahat. Bye po. Back to you, Coach Jessie.